My name is Emma. I am 14 years old. I live with my mom, my dad, and my older brother, Tom. Tom is 17. We are a normal family. Nothing special. Nothing bad. My parents work a lot. Mom works at a bank. Dad works for a big company. He travels for work sometimes. We don't spend much time together anymore. We are always busy. One day, Dad came home with big news.
I have a surprise.
He said,
We are going on vacation. All of us, next week.
I was so happy. I jumped up and down. Really? Where? I asked.
To the beach for 5 days.
Dad said. Mom smiled. Tom looked up from his phone. We were all excited. It was the first family trip in 2 years. The week passed slowly. I packed my bag 3 times. I wanted everything to be perfect. Finally, we got in the car. We drove for 4 hours. I watched the trees pass by my window. I felt so happy. We arrived at the hotel in the evening. It was a big white building near the ocean. We walked into the hotel. A woman stood behind the front desk. She had long dark hair and a bright smile. She looked at my dad.
Mr. Parker, welcome back,
she said. My dad smiled.
Hello, Sarah. Good to see you again.
You know her? Mom asked.
Yes, I stay here when I travel for work.
Dad said.
This hotel is very nice. That's why I chose it for our vacation.
Sarah gave us our room keys. She looked at my dad a lot, but I didn't think much about it. We went to our rooms. Tom and I shared one room. Mom and Dad had the room next door. The next 2 days were wonderful. We went to the beach. Dad took photos of us. Mom laughed more than usual. Tom even put his phone away. Everything was perfect. Then came the 3rd morning. I woke up early. The sun was just coming up. I looked at the clock. It was 6 in the morning. Tom was still asleep in his bed. I walked to the door between our rooms. I opened it quietly. I looked into my parents' room. Mom was asleep in bed, but Dad was not there. Where was he? Maybe he went for a walk. I decided to go down to breakfast. I put on my shoes and left the room. The hotel was very quiet. Most people were still sleeping. I walked down the stairs. The breakfast room was on the 1st floor, but I didn't go to the breakfast room. I saw something. I stopped. At the end of the hall, near the front desk, I saw my dad. He was talking to Sarah, the receptionist. They were standing very close. She was laughing. He was smiling. I started walking toward them. I wanted to say good morning. Then it happened. Dad looked around. He thought no one was watching. He leaned forward. He kissed Sarah. Not a small kiss, a long kiss. My heart stopped. I couldn't move. Sarah kissed him back. She put her hand on his arm. Then Dad pulled away. He saw me. His face went white. His eyes went wide.
Emma,
He said. I turned around. I ran. I ran to my room. I locked the door. My whole body was shaking. Tom was still asleep. I sat on my bed. I couldn't breathe right. My dad kissed another woman, not Mom, another woman. After a while, someone knocked on the door. It was Dad.
Emma, please, let me in.
He said. I didn't answer.
Emma, please, we need to talk.
He said again. Tom woke up.
What's going on?
He asked. Nothing. Go back to sleep, I said. Dad stopped knocking. He went away. I didn't go down for breakfast. I told Tom I wasn't hungry. He left without me. Later, Mom came to check on me.
Are you okay, sweetie?
She asked. She put her hand on my head.
Do you feel sick?
I looked at her face, her kind face. She didn't know. I'm okay, Mom. Just tired, I said.
Okay, rest a little. We're going to the beach later.
She said. She left. I stayed in my room. The rest of the vacation was terrible. For me, at least. Everyone else was happy. They laughed. They played. They had fun. But I couldn't enjoy anything. I looked at Dad and felt angry. I looked at Mom and felt guilty. Dad tried to talk to me many times. I didn't let him. I didn't want to hear his excuses. When we got home, nothing changed. Life went back to normal. Mom cooked dinner. Dad went to work. Tom played video games. I went to school. But everything was different for me. I carried this big secret. If I tell Mom, everything will break. Mom will cry. They will fight. They might get a divorce. Our family will fall apart. But if I don't tell her, I feel guilty. I am helping Dad lie to her. That makes me a liar too. I don't know what to do. Tell the truth and break our family, or keep the secret and break myself. What would you do if you were Emma? Tell the truth or keep the secret? Share your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories. Lesson of the day: receptionist. Receptionist means a person who works at the front desk of a hotel, office, or company and helps guests or visitors. Examples from the story. He was talking to Sarah, the receptionist. More examples. The receptionist gave me my room key. I asked the receptionist where the bathroom is.